Hi, chickies. Hi, my Baducks. Who wants to come out and have some flopping? Who wants flopping time? It's kind of late, but we're going to get some flopping time anyway. We've got Nugget. She wants in. She wants brooding time. All right. Come on out. Flopping time. Flop, flop, flopping. Whoa. She flew out. Baduck, Baduck. So one of the things I got for my birthday, my husband, God bless him, he picked up one of these solar powered fans. He still needs to staple it, but he put it in. He cut a hole in our coop, and it only comes on if the sun's shining. So it's almost like it's temperature controlled, just because if the sun's not shining, it's not coming on. But there you have it. It was a great birthday present. Yesterday was my birthday. He put it in on Monday, I think. I got my stitches out today in my hand. So everything's going good. We had a little mourning period from losing a kid. I was kind of downy-outy. But such is life. Oh, Chuck's calling everybody. He found something. Life's never easy. Baduck, Baduck. He found the kids' food I was bringing out, the babies. So what we have been doing also when it is hot is we've been letting them just out during the day. Today and yesterday it wasn't bad. But they tend to go down into the woods and find a spot and dig a hole down into the ground. And they know better than we do. But my husband said one thing, you don't let them out before you walk down the hill to the pond, because the other day he was walking back up the hill, and I wish I would have had my camera, because these knuckleheads were down in the woods. He said halfway back up to the house, he ran into these chickens, and he said Chuck followed him back to the house, but all these other knuckleheads didn't. So I had to get my bag of treats. That's why it's good to have them treat trained. Oh, Chuck found a cricket. I saw it with my eyeball. But yeah, I had to get the treats, and I should have had the video of them one by one coming out of the woods. And we were counting, taking a head count. So this is the way it works. I bring the kids food, and Chuck's like, hey, I handed up more food. There's nothing like being able to free range wherever you want to go. And they say, we'd like to be right where you are, please. Chickens are funny little people. Looks like it is about to rain. I'm feeling some raindrops. But that means it's cooling off, so that's good. Yeah, Baduck, Baduck. I don't know about you guys and your favorite gardening equipment, but I'll tell you mine. It's this thing. You can use it, whoops, you can use it for your knees, or you can sit on it. We got one as a gift, and I got another one for my husband for his birthday. His birthday's on Monday. So I say July is our birthday month. Baduck, Baduck, milk it, baby. Milk it. Yep, that's it. It's raining. Baduck, Baduck, Chuck. Such a funny guy. He's a Neanderthal. Yeah, he is. My Neanderthal boy. If you don't want Neanderthals, don't get chickens. You're too old for those kind of shenanigans, aren't you? I didn't think you thought so. She was like, that's Henrietta. I thought you were chasing me, Chuck. I thought we were playing tag. Nope, he's on to the next tag player. He enjoys playing tag. This is Henny Penny. She was broody probably 3 weeks ago. But she got broken when the kids were hatched. As soon as she went in with the kids, she was like, okay, I'm done. So I also got a injection in my right hand. They took stitches out of my left and an injection in my right. I had an injection in my right about a year ago, a little over. And I was debating having it done again or not. But I went ahead and got an injection in my hand too. Boy, shots in your hands, that hurts. It's not like getting a shot in your shoulder. I'd rather do that anytime. I almost cried like a baby. Chuck says he found a cucumber. Gonna have to go get him. He did find a cucumber. But it's a cucumber they've already been nibbling on. That's the good news. Up. Now he thinks he'll take a berry or two. Chuck, no garden. No, no, no. Listen to me. No, no, no. That's a good boy that moves away from the garden. He doesn't want to. Oh. She's being a bad girl. It's hard. Berries are very, very tempting. The arch trellis. You say no garden, and all they hear is garden, garden, garden. Hey, we sure are glad you decided to stop by and share some time with us. See what these chickens are up to. Yeah, Baduck, Chuck. We're just chickening, doing chicken stuff. Having a good old day. They have enjoyed being able to free range. We hope that you had a great 4th of July weekend and celebrated safely and are ready for the new weekend and day ahead. We got 2 more days and we got the weekend. It's almost here. But try not to be like Little Red Hen, a drama queen. Yeah, she is. She's my drama queen. And try to just get along with everybody. Baduck, Baduck. Guess what time it is? It's time for the chicken traffic jam. It happens every evening about this time of the day. Princess Buttercup and Henrietta, they're having a discussion about who gets to go in first. And if they're going to let the drama queen up first. Of course, Little Red Hen probably will. She just freaks out on everybody. But we are thankful for cooler days compared to when this heat wave came through and it was so hot. I did not pick a good day to move the mama hen and move the kids in here because they just ran that little girl to death. But chickens are a little thug group. And they do chicken stuff. It's a thug life when you have chickens. It really is. Baduck, baduck. The traffic jam seems to be moving along quite smoothly. Seems like a little tailgating going on, but nothing extreme. Hey Chuck, is it time to say goodnight? Yeah, Baduck, Baduck to you too, buddy. He came back out to help other chickens get into bed. I don't know if he knows we have one behind the compost bin. We sure hope you're staying cool in this hot weather. I read a thing, there were several tips on how to keep your electric bill lower. And they said that if you cover your windows, that it lowers your electric bill. It lowers the heat coming in from the sun. We have porches around our windows and shades, blinds, that kind of thing. But they said not to use during the busy times of the day. They said try not to use your oven. Use some kind of alternative thing to cook with than an oven. But they were all pretty good, sensible things. So if you want to keep your electric bill down, they also say not to do laundry during high use hours. I think they say to wait until after 8 o'clock at night. But helpful tips from the chickens. Baduck, baduck. Here comes one of those dusters. There's another one at the center of those two beds, still dusting back there. So I know I still have 2 chickens out and about. One of those are one of the kids. Oh, 2 of them are one of the kids. Here comes the second one. Oh, that felt good. Yeah, it's time to say goodnight. Yeah, Baduck, Baduck to you too, buddy. And the kids say, Baduck. That's night-night in chicken language.